In this video, I'll be speaking about our online classes. Okay, we have begun the phase 2. Okay, we finished phase 1, whereby we completed a full course with the students in the past month, and now we have started a new one. Okay, now this is the benefit of our classes, because I know most of you know about online classes and so on. First of all our classes are online. All right, our classes are 3 times a week for a month, and for these 3 times a week, we have a session of about 1 to 2 hours on Google Meet. Okay, because I know this is the part that confuses a lot of people. Now, apart from this, during the times that you are not in class, you are able to contact me for any question whatsoever. Okay, so I'll be there to guide you in any way possible. All right, I'm not just there to during the online class. I'm there throughout, even when the online class is not there. Now, another benefit of our online class is this: it comes with more than 100 trading bots and more than 100 documents containing various trading strategies. So not only are you having classes, but you are also receiving all the best bots in Deriv and all the best documents. Okay, so not only will you be impacted by knowledge, but you'll be skilled in every basically you'll have everything. You'll have knowledge, and you will have all the materials you will ever need. All right, so if you're interested with this, or this seems like a good offer to you, please ensure you WhatsApp me. I will guide you on how to proceed. But I'm telling you, these classes are extremely educative. Up to today, I receive messages from my students thanking me every day. I know it seems like a bluff, but it is true. Okay, and once you come to those classes, you will see for yourself. If you feel that classes are not for you, you can just watch the videos on the channel. They're also okay, but the benefit of online classes is that you're able to talk to me on a one-on-one basis. You know, when you ask me a question on the comment section or through my WhatsApp number, yes, I will answer you, but you will not feel that impact as much as you will feel it when you're having a one-on-one communication with me. All right, yeah, so if you're interested with the classes, WhatsApp me. As I've said, they are starting, and yeah, in fact, I had one class. You can go to the channel and watch our live session. That live session was basically like a small touch of our online class. Okay, and by the way, this online class also comes with membership to our WhatsApp group with over 900 traders. So you can see, you're not just having random classes. You'll really be taken care of as a trader. So if you're a new trader and you basically want to start the Deriv journey, and you don't want to take all this journey on your own, basically you want to be part of a community and grow with a community, which will make your work easier, and show you WhatsApp me. I will guide you on the way forward, because I promise you these online classes will be extremely beneficial to you. Okay, yeah, apart from that, if you have any question whatsoever about the online classes, ensure you WhatsApp me, and or comment down in the comment section. It will be much easier. By the way, for any inquiries, just comment down in the comment section and I will answer you. Apart from that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and let us meet in the next one. And please ensure you subscribe, and please share this video to anyone who you know trades in Deriv, so that they don't miss out on this new amazing information. Apart from that, thank you very much for watching once again, and good luck.